In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use a wired controller on Xbox One. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. This is going to be an extremely straightforward process because essentially all Xbox One controllers will be able to be connected this way. All of their functions are going to work natively, and usually the cable that you need to make this connection is going to be included when you acquire your console or the controller itself standalone. So all that you are going to need is the console, the wired Xbox One controller, or any other compatible wired controller, and the micro USB cable that I mentioned for older Xbox One controllers, or a USB-C cable if you have a newer Xbox One controller. So the first step is to turn on your Xbox One console. Use the power button on the console itself or the Xbox button on a wireless controller if it is already paired. So once the console has been turned on, all that you have to do is connect one end of the micro USB or USB-C cable into the controller, which is going to be usually the smaller end, and then the larger end of the cable into any of the available USB ports on your Xbox One console. Usually there are going to be two USB ports at the front of the console and one at the back. You can also acquire a USB hub to expand the amount of available USB ports. And that's it. The wired controller should automatically be recognized by the console and ready to use. You will see some lights on the controller flicker or turn on, and you might have to assign a user profile to that controller. You can now use it as your main controller, or alternatively, just use it as a secondary controller when you are playing with someone else, either on split screen or any other requirement like that. The good thing about using it wired is that no batteries are going to be required and you can assign a profile to that controller whenever needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to use a wired controller on Xbox One. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.